Get paid $23.10 every 10 minutes from Google Translate. $3,000 per day. Make money online 2023. Are you looking for a simple and free method to make money online? With Google Translate and CPAGrip, you can earn over $23 every 10 minutes by translating sentences. This video will guide you on how to utilize these tools to create a passive income stream from anywhere in the world using your computer or smartphone. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share my thoughts and experiences with you. Let's have some fun and learn something new together. Let's start with Google Translate. Google Translate is an incredibly useful tool that makes communicating with people from all over the world easier than ever before. With over 100 languages available, it's an essential resource for anyone who needs to communicate with people who speak different languages. One of the best things about Google Translate is how easy it is to use. Simply select the language you want to translate from and to, and the translation will be displayed instantly. You can even translate entire web pages, making it easy to browse foreign websites. Another great feature of Google Translate is that it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything to use it. And there are no hidden fees or charges. This makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. In addition to translating text, Google Translate can also translate spoken words. Simply speak into your device's microphone and the translation will be displayed on the screen. This is incredibly useful for people who need to communicate with others in real time. The next step is to create a CPAGrip account. CPAGrip is a popular website that simplifies social media automation for businesses. It offers CPA, cost per action, offers, where you get paid for every action someone takes through your referral. These actions could include registering on a website or completing a form. To get started with CPAGrip, you'll need to sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up, you'll be able to explore the various offers available. These offers are created by businesses that are looking to promote their products or services. When you find an offer that you're interested in promoting, you'll be given a unique referral link. You can then share this link on your social media channels, website, or blog. When someone clicks on your link and completes the required action, you'll earn a commission. One of the best things about CPAGrip is that it's incredibly easy to use. The website is user-friendly, and the offers are clearly organized. You can track your earnings in real time, so you always know how much you're making. While CPAGrip offers a wide range of offers, some countries have higher payout rates than others. For example, countries such as France, Spain, Italy, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, and Egypt often have lucrative opportunities for users. To find the best offers, you should explore different countries and look for offers with attractive payouts. Countries that are less commonly used by users often have higher rates to incentivize participation. You can select offers that align with your target audience to maximize your earnings. Once you've chosen an offer, obtain your affiliate link. CPAGrip provides you with a unique tracking link for each offer. Choose a tracking domain and copy your affiliate link. If you want to make your affiliate link more appealing, consider using a link shortening service like bit.ly.com. By shortening your link, you can make it more visually pleasing and increase the chances of it getting clicked. When you paste your original link into a link shortening service, you can also customize it by translating the offer's details into French or another language. This can make your link more click-worthy and appealing to a wider audience. Shortened links are also easier to share on social media and other online platforms. They take up less space and look more professional than long, cumbersome links. If you're looking to drive more traffic to your website, then trafficadbar.com is a great resource to explore. This website offers free website traffic and search engine submission services, allowing you to get more eyes on your content. To get started, all you need to do is create a free account on trafficadbar.com. Once you've done that, you can submit your shortened link to the platform. By specifying the language, French, and the country, France, you can attract specific users who are more likely to be interested in your offer. Trafficadbar.com will then drive visitors to your link, increasing the chances of them completing the offer. This can help you increase your earnings and grow your online business. One of the great things about trafficadbar.com is that it's completely free to use. You don't need to pay any advertising or traffic services. Instead, you can take advantage of this platform to drive more traffic to your website and increase your online visibility. As people click on your ad and submit their details for the offer, you earn money based on the payout rate of that particular offer. For example, if the offer pays $23.10 for every completion, you can earn a significant income by driving a steady stream of interested visitors. Earnings with it can vary depending on the offers you promote and the traffic you drive to them. However, with the right strategy and effort, you can earn a substantial income from CPA marketing. So why not give it a try and see how you can start earning today? By combining the power of Google Translate and CPAGrip, you can tap into the potential of earning money online effortlessly. The simplicity of these tools allows anyone, even without prior experience, to generate passive income from the comfort of their home. Start using this method and take advantage of the opportunities available to earn money online in 2023. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that you comply with the terms and conditions of CPAGrip and do not attempt to complete the offers yourself or use VPN software to manipulate leads. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our latest videos.